In this video, we are looking at the Kefine Klanar, a sub-brand from Sivka. Klanar, it kind of gives away the type of driver they are using. So they are using a Planar driver, 14 mm Planar driver, 14.5 mm to be precise. So that's a driver that I have been seeing with a lot of IEMs these days. So it's safe to assume that this driver is easily available to everyone and being outsourced from a single manufacturer. I'm not so sure about who that is, but it seems like this 14.5 mm planar driver is available to a lot of manufacturers. So that's that. The Kefine, Kefine, Klanar, as they say, Planar based IM, is priced at $120, and it comes with optional 4.4 mm connectors, but I do not think I have the 4.4 mm. You guys can see 14.5 mm transducer driver, Planar drivers, Kefine Electronics. Doesn't matter what they write on the box, but let's open this. Kefine, all black body, so it's very similar to what we have seen with a lot of IEMs here. In any case, let's open it up. I'm expecting it to be a bit V-shaped. While the nightingale was balanced, I'm expecting it to be more V-shaped. Nice, good looking case here. A very good looking case to be precise. I like this kind of square cases, slightly long. And I have the 3.5 mm version here. Let's take out the IM, and these aren't heavy or anything like that. I'm liking that too. These are fairly lightweight and fairly small for a 14.5 mm driver shell. So this is decent, fairly small to be precise, and it kind of is less than an inch, around 19 to 21 mm to be precise. And the nozzle is fairly long. You guys can see the nozzle is fairly long. 2-pin, perfectly fine with that. And the cable looks good too. The cable is good looking. There aren't any issues with this cable either, and isn't memory prone or anything like that. Yeah, there is a bit of flex or memory, but it isn't exactly as bad as some other IEMs. And this is decent, lightweight, no issues with the weight or cable or anything like that, but the looks could have been a bit more appealing. In any case, let's have a look at the set of tips. So yeah, there are a handful of tips and combination of wide bore and narrow bore tips. That is good. I like this kind of setup, a set of wide bore and a set of narrow bore tips. So this time I'm thinking I'll stick with the narrow bore tips, and let's see how do they perform with these IEMs. So this is the unboxing of Kefine Klanar. There isn't anything else to show here. There's a lot of negative space. I'm not sure why they had to make this big, but there is plenty of negative space. In any case, this is the unboxing of Kefine Klanar. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.